tefuna mulamba. Brown tukwidi mukuli enguzi lero idatu bona iwe. Tewali muzanyo ne final. Eno final tewali muzanyo.
Mubaleke ba bagala kamfumana ababula bagala mubaleke bujeriza
Tegerekeka.
Oli avude n'ejinja n'alinkwasa ku mutwe.
Tomutegedde.
Mutegedde by face. Akoze atya? Mbende ndi muserebule yange. Olave neiba kunkuba ku mutwe. Timwidiri na mwidi by face.
Tumala kaba mujjanjaba.
First and foremost, I would like to thank the players for the good work they have done. We trained here 2 days, and I think this time around we came when we used of the turf. We trained under that hot sunshine, and today we played the game at 2. The boys were used of the weather. After winning against Express, we wanted also to win against Villa, which we done, because Express is a bigger team and the Villa is also a bigger team. We were motivated very well, and we laid a very good strategy for Villa, which a team we knew how they play. The first edition they beat us 1-0, it was a penalty. This time round we came wanting the win, and indeed we've got it. The boys played their hearts out, it was very good.